Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing Bluey. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. So let's start off with his body. We can do the outline. We can start off with his ear, which kind of goes right into his body. Just like that. And then we can draw one eyebrow right here. And then we're going to move on down to his tail. And then his arm and hand. Then his feet. And his other foot. And then let's go back up here to finish the other ear. And then his other eyebrow. And then his right eye. And then his nose. Then we're going to connect the eye to the nose. And his mouth. His other eye. And then we can connect his body. Then we can close off his face right up here. One more line we got to do is right there. So that is your basic shape of Bluey. We're also going to color his eyes. And now we can start putting some color in. So I'm going to go into my color layer. And I've already got some of the colors picked out. So I'm going to start with the yellow. And we can start coloring his ears. So we're gonna start doing just a triangle right here, because on the other side of this yellow, on this part, it's gonna be a dark blue. So let's kind of mark this out. Then we can color that in. And that same yellow is going to go where his nose is. So it's something like that. Let me just fix this part. And then we can color that in. And then for that dark blue purple type of color, I've already got that picked out. And we're gonna leave another oval shape right here for a gray. So I'm gonna get that gray. Okay, let's grab that purple blue again. And only a part of this section is the same color here. And then, like that. If you have to turn your paper around, you should if you want to get like a nice clean line. Okay, so there's also a couple of half circles here. And then half of his tail. And then now we can grab a lighter blue, which is for his eyebrows. And then also half his hands. And his tummy right over here. Then half of his feet. And there's also a tiny bit of outline of this blue. And the rest is just a tad darker blue. All right, guys, there you have your Bluey.